Are you ready to make some carrots out of little wood Christmas tree cutouts? Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. So these are the little Christmas trees. I had gotten them at Dollar Tree a while ago, and I'm just using some chalk paint. The color is, I think it's pumpkin, and the brand is Waverly. I watered it down, and okay, listen, I do everything the hard way the first time. And so I'm painting it, holding it, and this is just kind of crazy pants, right? I mean, it was working, but then I was like, wait a minute, you watered down the paint, it's kind of loose, throw it in the bowl and swish them around, and now we've got all of them painted. I know, it takes me a minute, but that's okay. It's all right. I'll get there. So anyway, I am wiping off the paint because I want it to look more stained and not a full coat of paint. Does that make sense? So I paint it, wipe it off, and I'll move forward smartly. You could do as many or as few as you'd like. If you notice that there are little patches where you need to add more paint, then I just use the brush. Easy peasy, right? Yeah, your fingers do get a little messy, but I suppose you could use, well, I don't mind. Listen, I'm a crafter. I don't put any gloves on, and I don't mind getting paint all over my hands. As you can see, my fingers are a mess, but that's okay. That's all right. That we can wash our hands. It's fine. It's not permanent. But like I said before, I got the wood cutouts at Dollar Tree, but I think I've seen them at Michael's in the wood section, in the kids' wood section. I've also seen them at Hobby Lobby. So lots of options if you don't have any in your stash like I did. Now, you're going to move that thing of paint because you're going to spill it if you don't. Ask me how I know. Anyways. So then I have this greenery. I had actually gotten a mat from Michael's, and I just pulled sprigs off of it. And all I'm doing right now is just cutting little sprigs to the size that I think they should be for the top of these. I put a little piece of glue on the top. It's just hot glue. And then I am putting that little sprig on the top. Now, I will tell you, it is important that you hold the sprig on top with the hot glue, or else if you don't, it's going to kind of twist around and it's going to, not stay where you want it. So just hold it until your hot glue sets. Easy peasy. Then we have other ones. You can do them as long or as short as you want. I'm cutting them a variety of lengths. And again, same process. I put a little bit more glue on, and then I put the little sprig on. I am sorry. These are adorable. Like, stop it. Quit it, right? Now, I did go through and do a little bit of distressing on mine. I'm just using some brown wax with a sponge because I like that vintage vibe. I love that dimension it gives. And I put it in this little bunny terracotta pot. Stay tuned for that. Look at how cute they are. Quit it. I mean, stop. Look at how precious. I love them. And listen, I know this might be out there or too simplistic for some, but I'm just telling you, this could be a jumping point, right? This could be a spark that gives you an idea for something else. How many other Christmas trees do you see? How many other trees, the brush ones or wooden tree? I don't know. I am digressing here. You know what I'm saying. It could spur an idea. I hope it does. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.